Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we have a Camaro Z-28 by Ertl. Quite small, but I think it's worthy of a restoration. So let's crack on. And just off camera, I have a 5-blade screwdriver. And as soon as I can get a part, I have a paint stripper. You can just go to any hardware store. Oh, and also please do remember to wear your mask, gloves, and goggles. Trust me, you don't want to get this paint stripper around you. Trust me, you do not. Some wire brushes. With casting a bit of shine. Of course, I do this just for camera. I don't know why. Of course, this costume is a little bit different than the costume you saw last time of Chevy Camaro. In this house, not sure what split window, I believe. Split window on the top. And anyways, I give this costume a bit of a shine with another wire wheel brush. Should probably have a you want to just go ahead and buy a whole lot of wire wheel brushes. And after I get the paint stripped and shined up, it's time for the paint process. I have just some red lacquer paint from the hardware store. And I just put on a few drops of super glue. And actually, while I was filming this part, the post actually came, and a couple of other parts I needed for other project came in. And as you can see, this Camaro Z-28 is done, and it rolls pretty well. And if you like it, please like, comment, subscribe.